Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine packages on Canix. I'll be showing you from a California demo account, but this applies to all jurisdictions, so you might notice some differences in the package tags, but the flow will be the same. Okay, great, so let's get started. We're going to start by going to Inventory, Packages, and Active, which is the screen I'm on. This, if you're in Metric, is all of your Metric inventory. Now I'm going to start by trying to combine all of my ChemD BBuds packages. So the easiest way to do that is go to Items, and then you can select this item to filter it down. And that will pull up all of the items that match my item filter. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to hold down Shift to highlight all of the items that all the packages that I want to grab. I'm going to say Actions, Combine Packages. So a reminder, combined packages should be used when you're taking multiple packages and you're turning them into one packages. You don't need to take the entirety of all the packages into one package, but whenever your desired end result is one new package tag, you should use combined packages. Okay, great. So my tag pre-fills in with tag 424. So we'll pre-fill in with the lowest tag that we have available. But in my case, I actually know that I want to start with tag 465. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change this. For your item type, I'm going to go ahead and select ChemD BBuds. You don't have to choose the same item type, but in my case, I want to. To choose a different item type, it's very simple. You can just choose a new item in here. And if we wanted to create a new item in here whilst combining, we could do that. We could call this ChemD BBuds 1/8 jar and create a new item type in here. I'm going to click out of that because it's not what I'm looking to do here. Weight unit, we'll put in grams here. Location, this is optional. I'm going to put in the dry room. Production batch number. So if you're using production batch numbers to track, you should fill in your new production batch number or existing production batch number here. And package date, you can choose today, but you can also backdate up to 3 days if you're in a metric state. Let's choose today. Great. Okay, so we've defined this new package. We want it to have tag 0465, item ChemD BBuds, grams in the dry room location. Now, right now I'm hitting tab to navigate around my screen. We have keyboard shortcuts involved in this function, so you're able to just do this without using your mouse. So I'm going to hit enter. And we will pre-fill with the max amount from your packages, but you don't need to pull the entire package. So right now I have this 1,000 gram package. If I just want to pre-fill 100, I put in 100 in here. And you'll notice that the pulled weight automatically changes with the package weight. Pulled weight is only different when you're taking more or less from your original package than is ending up in your destination package. In most cases, this really only applies to generally extractors who are taking bulk and turning into oil or running it through some kind of process where the amount that you're taking and putting into a new package is actually changing. If you're just taking from a package and putting it into a new package, you generally don't need to change pulled weight from package weight. So I type 100 in here and then I hit enter and that saves. So now when I look at this source package, it's pulling from package 0411, packaging 100 grams, pulling 100 grams. That's what we want. We want those to be the same. And remaining, we have 900 grams. So that's what we want. Let's hit tab again to move to the next package. Hit enter. This package, we're pulling 500. We can hit save, tab, enter, 700, enter. So we can go down this list and we can change the amount that we're pulling from each package. If we accidentally hit a package that we don't want to pull from, it's pretty simple. You can just hit the remove here and we'll keep going. Tab, enter, number, enter. And so here we can see I accidentally put in a number that's greater than the amount that we have remaining in that package. So it's going to highlight in red remaining for negative 400 grams. So let's go back to that package, shift tab to move back up. Shift tab moves up, tab moves down, hit enter, and let's take 100. Great. And so now we're packaging 100 grams from a 300 gram package. Let's change this one to 60, 10, 20. Great. At the bottom, we see the total weight for this new package. If we've forgotten to add a package into this new package that we're creating, we can say add package in here. We can search by the last 4 digits for a package that we want to add in here. You can add in the package weight, the pulled weight, and hit save. Okay, so this looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And so after you hit submit, you're going to see this confirmation screen. So it's going to tell you everything about your new package. So this package has tag 0465. The item is ChemDB buds. The quantity is 2290 grams. The location is the dry room, and the date is March 16th. So let's go ahead and hit confirm. And we can see this package 0465 was successfully created. So that package is 2290. Let's go ahead and find it in our active inventory. We see package 0465. It's got 2290. That's what we expect. Date is March 16th. And the item type is ChemDB buds, which is what we wanted. Okay, great. So that's how you can combine packages on Canix. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment in this YouTube channel here. We monitor this very frequently, so we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.